Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming device platforms and account types for your family. Apple Family Sharing supports up to 6 family members on one plan. Google Play Family Library supports up to 5 family members per group. Each family must choose one shared payment method and a family organizer to manage purchases. Make sure each family member has an Apple ID or Google account signed in. Check regional availability for both services before proceeding. Prepare device passcodes and account passwords to speed the setup process. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. Tap Family Sharing and choose Set up your family to begin the process. Designate one adult as the family organizer. That person adds a shared payment method. Select Share Purchases and enable purchase sharing using the organizer card. Invite up to 5 people by entering emails or sending an invitation link. Ask each invitee to accept on their device and confirm. Open the Google Play Store app and tap the menu icon to access family options. Tap Family, then sign up for Family Library to create a group. Designate one Google account as the family manager and add a shared payment method for purchases. Invite up to 4 additional members for a total of 5 in the group. After members accept, choose which apps, games, movies, or books to share with the group. Manage shared content from the family library settings anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.